Will AI replace your job? People whisper it at work, argue about it online, worry about it alone, quietly, secretly at night. Automation, automation, automation. Every headline screams it. Every feed amplifies it. And if you're honest, you've probably wondered, what if I'm next? But here's the twist almost no one says out loud. People aren't afraid of losing a job, they're afraid of losing control. And that fear? It's not new. It's ancient. It's wired into our survival system. Electricity terrified people. Cars terrified people. Computers terrified people. People thought elevators were death traps. They thought the internet would replace every career. They thought calculators would erase human intelligence. And yet, we're still here. Working, learning, evolving. So let's get real for a second. This isn't fear of machines. It's the fear of becoming irrelevant, of waking up one day and realizing the world leveled up without you. But here's the good news. We're scared of the wrong thing. Jobs don't disappear in an explosion. They shift. They adapt. They evolve, exactly like we do. Think about it. No more switchboard operators. No more lamplighters. No more human alarm clocks knocking on doors with sticks. Not because those people were erased, but because the world moved forward and they moved with it. And here comes the twist you didn't expect. The jobs AI threatens the fastest, they're usually the ones we don't even love. The repetitive tasks, the copy and paste work, the low energy, low creativity, soul-numbing stuff. AI doesn't eliminate people. AI eliminates tasks. This is where everyone gets it wrong. People imagine robots replacing entire humans, but what AI actually replaces are the predictable parts of human work. But empathy, curiosity, taste, emotional intuition, your weird, specific, irreplaceable mix of life experiences, there's no algorithm for that. And here's the funny part. You've already used AI for years without realizing it. Your GPS rerouting traffic, your phone recognizing your face, your bank blocking fraud, your camera auto-enhancing photos. Every single time, your life didn't shrink, it expanded. You gained speed, you gained clarity, you gained options. So, why is AI scary now? Because this time it feels personal, like the technology walked into your workspace, looked over your shoulder, and whispered, "I can do that too." And that hits a part of the human ego we don't want to talk about. So let me be honest with you. I used to feel the same way. I felt slow, behind, not technical enough, not smart enough, like tech was for other people. But then something happened. AI helped me learn something I always thought I wasn't capable of. It felt like a door I assumed was locked just opened. And for the first time, I didn't feel excluded from the global conversation. I was in it, part of it, growing with it. AI didn't make me weaker, AI made me braver. But let's talk about the real villain of this story. It's not AI. It never was. It's fear. Fear whispers, don't try, don't learn, don't change, don't start. Stay where you are. Stay safe. Stay small. Fear freezes you in place while the world moves forward. That, not AI, is what actually replaces people. So what do you do in a world with AI? Here's the simple, uncomfortable truth. Stop binge-watching tutorials you never use. Information isn't transformation. Action is. Pick one AI tool, just one. Writing, design, automation, video, data, whatever. Doesn't matter. The courage to choose is more important than the tool you choose. Build small things, quick prototypes, tiny projects, ugly first drafts, messy experiments. Learn by doing, not by collecting, because the world doesn't need perfect experts anymore. The world needs adaptable people who refuse to freeze. And this is the part that changes everything. AI is not here to replace you. AI is here to remove the friction between your idea and the realization of that idea. It's not competition, it's leverage. So let's reframe the question. Will AI replace my job? Wrong question. The real question is, am I willing to grow with the technology instead of fearing it? AI isn't destiny. AI isn't doom. AI isn't a takeover. AI is a tool, a pencil, a lens, a lever. It can sharpen your vision, extend your reach, speed up your progress, amplify your potential, but it will never hold the pen. That's yours. Always. Will AI replace parts of your job? Yes, absolutely. Parts of it. But it will never replace your humanity, your taste, your courage, your intuition, your lived experiences, your ability to care, connect, imagine, create. It will never replace you. That's why the future isn't about machines replacing people. It's about people choosing to rise. So if you're ready, I invite you to learn AI without fear, with kindness, with resilience, and with the boldness to step into a world that's bigger than the one you grew up in. The next chapter of work isn't about competing with machines. It's about becoming more human than ever before. Join me, subscribe, and let's take our first step into AI together.